Given that f of x equals 4 sine brackets 3x minus pi over 4, evaluate f dash of pi over 6. So this is a differentiation question because we have f dash of pi over 6 here, but it's also with radians. So we'll sort out the radians later. Let's just focus on differentiating this first. So it's a trig function. We know that sine differentiates to cos, cos differentiates to negative sine differentiates to negative cos, which differentiates to sine. So when we begin the differentiation, 4 sine, that's going to change to cos straight away, so 4 cos. Your brackets stay the same, always with the chain rule, but we also have to multiply by the derivative of the part inside the brackets. So the derivative of 3x minus pi over 4 is just 3 because pi over 4 would differentiate to 0 since that is just a constant. So we have to multiply by 3, the derivative of 3x. So that gives us 12 cos 3x minus pi over 4. Okay, so now we're at the stage where we need to find f dash of pi over 6. And you are allowed to change this to degrees right now. If you wanted to change this to 30 degrees, then that might make the working a bit easier, or you can keep it as pi over 6. So we're substituting in pi over 6 when we see an x. So 3 times pi over 6 minus pi over 4. So 3 over 6 is a half. So I've got pi over 2 take away pi over 4. All you need to do is multiply pi over 2 by 2 on top and bottom to get 2 pi over 4. And then I'll just do that at the side. 2 pi over 4, take away pi over 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, so that's just pi over 4. So what we have here is 12 times by cos pi over 4. Now, pi over 4 is the same as 45 degrees. So when you're looking at your exact values, your 30, 45 and 60, 30 is your pi over 6, 45 is pi over 4 and 60 is pi over 3. We're trying to find cos pi over 4, so we know that that is 1 over root 2. So what I'm working out now is 12 times by 1 over root 2. You can leave your answer as 12 over root 2. The only time you would maybe change that final answer is if you had to prove that you could get an answer that has a rational denominator. So you might have to times by root 2 on top and bottom. You might not. So if you did, then that working would look like this. 12 root 2 over 2, giving you 6 root 2. Otherwise, just leave it as 12 over root 2.